Okay, so today's lesson was pretty difficult. I'm going to do that first example that I did in class using the FOIL method. Okay, so I have 3x squared plus 10x minus 8. And so I need to take this trinomial and turn it into two binomials. Okay, and so let's look at the signs. We have a negative here and a positive here. Okay, so we have two numbers, two factors that are going to be multiplied with each other. That's going to give you a negative. Okay, which means one number has to be positive, the other has to be negative. So let's go ahead and include that in our binomial. And then let's look at 3x squared. Let's go ahead and split those x's. Now let's look at 3, which is a. Now that is going to be made up of the factors 1 and 3. That's the only possibility that we can have with 3. That is going to be our two first numbers. So we have 3 here and we have 1 here. Okay, let me rewrite that larger. Okay, so 3x plus and then x minus equals 0. Now let's look at C. Okay, so that's just 8. What are the factors of 8? We have 1 and 8, and then we have 2 and 4. Now, we need to try trial and error, and so let's go ahead and do that. And when we do O and the I, when we do O, or O here, and the inner, it's going to equal plus 10x. So that's what we're looking for. So let's go ahead and try 1 and 8 first. So let's go ahead and put 1 here and 8 here. Okay, so that means that, and erase that. Okay, that means that our outer is going to be negative 3 times 8 is 24x, and then our inner is going to be 1x, positive 1x. Does that equal plus 10x? Nope, wrong one. So let's go ahead and try another. So we have x minus, I'm going to put that 8 here, and I'm going to put that 1 here. And then let's go ahead and try. So our outer is going to be negative 3x, and our inner is going to be positive 8x. Now when you add those two, do they equal positive 10? Nope, doesn't work. Okay, so let's go ahead and move on to 2 and 4. We have 3x plus, and then we have x minus. Okay, let's go ahead and try 2 and then 4. So we have inner, which is 2x, and then outer, which is negative 12x. That gives us negative 10x. So we have plus 10, and we have negative 10. How can we come up with positive 10? How about if we change the signs? Here we have plus, and then here we have minus. How about if we swap out the signs? So you can get 3x, minus 2, and here we have x plus 4. So we have inner, negative 2x, and then outer, positive 12x. So that equals positive 10x. So yeah, we found the right combination. Okay, now we have to solve it. Okay, in order to solve it, I'm going to go ahead and move it to another screen. So I have 3x minus 2, and then I have x plus 4, which equals 0. Okay, let's go ahead and split it, and then we have 3x minus 2 equals 0, and x plus 4 equals 0. So we're going to add 2 to both sides. So we have 3x equals 2. Divide both sides by 3, so x equals 2/3. And on this side, we're going to subtract both sides by -4, so x equals -4. So our answer is x equals 2/3 and x equals -4. Those are our x-intercepts. Okay, and that's the final answer. Took a while, but we got there. Good job.